Okay, so here's the exact same video that I just linked, but I'm going to narrate it for you because I hate watching randoms that don't have sound, and I feel bad about it. So I'm going to hit play here on the video. Maybe. Okay. So I'm just playing the YouTube video on my screen. I'm going to narrate it for you. And you can see it 7:32 on my screen there, typing live. This is for the C.Patt Contenders variation graded 9, 10. Thanks for getting in. We have Chris for 4, Dave M for 2, Dustin C for 2, Dave M for 2. 7:33, and then here is when I shake the dice, and it was 7 times. And then back to the list, and we'll random it 7 times here. I got sidetracked. Rory just won the PGA, so you can tell it's 7:48 now. But when I did the video, it was like 15 minutes ago. There's 5 times. And there's 6. And then I went back at 7:33. I went back 7 times with the dice. I think I showed the timing of. And last time for 7, Dave M is the winner. Congrats, Dave. 7 times, 7:33, and I was done. Sent over some goods, and it goes out tomorrow. Rest of you, thanks for getting in. Sorry about the first video not having sound. I just had to narrate it again so you guys can watch either one, whatever one you want. Thanks again, boys.